how to record your voice in Suno and make a hit song. So when you're in Suno, click on Voice, Create Voice, and now this is where you enter into recording. So you want to have some type of lyrics and your voice ready to record. I went to ChatGPT and got my lyrics. It's K-pop lyrics. And if you're ready to sing, you want to hit the record button. So let's get into it. Late night scrolling, stereo. And then you click submit. So as you see, I did a lot of different inflections. I don't know how to say it, but tones. So I guess that's what you want to do. You're verifying my voice. Now it's saying, how would you describe your singing? Jermaine McDonald. That's my name. Style tags. You can skip this. Description. You can skip it. And then you click save. Now that voice is saved, and you can access that voice anytime you need to. So we have our voice. We want to drop our lyrics into the lyrics section. So I also created a prompt for the instrumental that I'm going to use. And you can modify this. I have the prompt for this instrumental inside the description. So go to the description and I'll have it there for you. And then you'll click on create. So Suno has created our song. Let's play it and let's hear it. Okay, we need to put a little more magic. A little more studio sprinkles on here. So maybe we want to go to the option and let's turn up the wildness, because when you just put in your voice, we don't want to put it all the way in the red. It might blow out. So moderate. Let's put style influence, weirdness, and audio influence. I wonder what we don't want it to be like the original voice. We want to put that all the way to let's put it all the way in the red. So turn your awareness up, your style influence up, and your audio influence. This is if you don't really know how to sing, but you know how to sing and you just want to try it out and not be disappointed in your work. So this is to boost your self-esteem. Talk about going to therapy. Hit create and let's see what comes out. Maybe we might have to change this up. Remember, it's in more options, weirdness, bump the weirdness up, bump the style influence up, and turn down your audio influence if you don't like how your singing came out. This will put that studio sprinkles on there, that studio pizzazz on there. So we got our poppin' song ready, our Jermaine McDonald, one of the good friends of Michael McDonald. He created a pop song. Let's go. And let's listen to what's happening over here. Uh-oh, this sound funky. Okay. All right. Okay. I like how the voice sounding already. Okay, so we made a song for a singer back in the early 1990s and 1980s, and he's making a comeback. Another thing, so say that you're starting a new project and you already have your voice that you want to use. You just click on voice. Then you will see in here Jermaine McDonald. You click on Jermaine McDonald. And we want to use Jermaine McDonald. And it shows up right here in the prompt. And then you click create.